Grade 8 Organizing Writing. Organizing writing involves structuring your ideas and information in a clear and logical manner to effectively communicate with your audience. When you organize your writing, you arrange your thoughts and information in a way that makes sense and is easy for others to follow. This includes having a clear introduction, main body of paragraphs that develop your ideas, and a conclusion that summarizes your key points. Question. Complete the text with a better conjunctive adverb. Select the letter of the correct answer. In 1846 in Paris, Antoine Joseph Sax patented the saxophone. This is noteworthy for being the first instrument to employ a brass bell and a reed together. Blank. Its signature sound became an elemental force in the birth of jazz. A. In addition. B. For example. Explanation. The correct answer is A. In addition better connects the ideas in the text. This conjunctive adverb shows that the saxophone is noteworthy not only because it was the first instrument to use a brass bell and reed together, but also because its signature sound was an elemental force in the creation of jazz. In 1846 in Paris, Antoine Joseph Sax patented the saxophone. It is noteworthy for being the first instrument to employ a brass bell and a reed together. In addition, its signature sound became an elemental force in the birth of jazz. Final answer. The correct answer is letter A.